Alrighty, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is TDT, the Developing Trader, coming back at you again with another video. Alright, so let's take a look at our usual, the SP500, and let's take a step out real quick. And I want you guys to know that last week in my weekly projection and view, I was saying that we were aiming for this fair value gap, which we did not get. You can see that price did continue moving downward with another pull up and then a deeper run down. Now, what I want you guys to take a look at as we see what price is delivering, obviously we're not going to be able to be 100% accurate on our predictions, but even with price not drawing to the area I was looking for this week, I was still able to catch a couple of moves. Why is that? Because I can read price action. I've been taught to read price action, so I really let price tell me what it wants to do, and like I always say, I then fall in line with that. So this week we were up here. I was thinking we were going to get another run maybe into this area here and then attack the buy side liquidity here. That did not happen. We had continuous bearish movements, and after these rejections, I'm like, okay, we're definitely targeting this liquidity pool here. And if you check out my Twitter, that's Liquid Equity 101, you'll see that I was in this position here, and I actually rode that short straight down to this liquidity here below the market. That's Liquid Equity 101. You'll see where I was taking this position live and heading down into the liquidity pool. I called it a liquidity pool splash. Terrible humor. So what I want us to be on the lookout for this week is below here, as we dived into this liquidity zone here. As you can see, we're in this trading range right now, and it's almost like one big consolidation, and we're back into the middle of the range. And there's still some sell side here, there's still some buy side above the market, but what I want you to take a look at going into this week is on these lows here. Take a look at your triad, and I think you'll see something very interesting. So that leads me to believe that perhaps this right here will be our, what we call it, low resistance liquidity run. Will we get it? Time will tell. I am expecting some retracement, but after price has done this work below the market here, cover that with your triad. You take a look at it. I'm not picking off everything. I just want you to see what I'm looking at and why I'm looking at it. And right now I'm looking for a little bit of a retracement, perhaps into one of these gaps below the market here. We got a gap here, and we got another gap here. One more thing I want to show you guys before I close out this video. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm not trying to project the price for the full week right now. We are in the summer doldrums, and you want to be dialing your risk back and, you know, just letting the market kind of get ready to tell you where it wants to go. Like right now, as I said before, we're in the middle of this range. Let me put my fib and just let you have a look at what I'm talking about here. So between here to, let's say, this low or this low here, we can use this one, but you can see it's right a little bit above that 50%. It's almost in a premium, but right now it's just a little above the equilibrium of this trading range. So keep your eyes open for those things. And one more thing, the YouTube mentorship model, that can be expanded as well as refined to smaller time frames. But I want you to see how we had this run here. Okay, sell side liquidity taken. What do we have here? We have, and this is on a 1 hour chart, we have our break in market structure right there. Returns back to the fair value gap here, and that would have been an awesome Friday trade. Now I'm kind of upset looking at this trade right now because I was extremely busy on Thursday and Friday and was unable to look and see what the markets were offering. And looking at it now, it's just a lovely TGIF Friday trade that I did miss. So that's gonna be me for this week. This is TDT, the Developing Trader. I hope all you guys have another successful week. Make sure to check me out on Twitter. That's Liquid Equity 101. If you like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Do all those good things. Keep developing, keep getting better. I wish you all the best, man. TDT out.